Alright guys, I'm going to apologize here for only making one video last week. I know that some of you guys out there have a hard time functioning if you don't get these videos in your life. And for all of you that fall into that particular category, I just have one thing to say. Stop it. Get some help. I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold. Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today I'm coming at you live from the lovely Malfalcone, Italy. That's right, back to the old work grind, traveling again, but I definitely need to make sure that I get these videos out to you guys. Like I said, some of you just cannot live without it.
Darby, could you just take care of this idiot? Thanks.
So today I'm going to take a look at some of the dates that Supreme has given us for the Spring-Summer 22 season, as well as show you some of the items that will be releasing and some of the items that are rumored to be releasing in the next Supreme season.
Ooh, child, things will get brighter.
First off, guys, I wanted to thank everybody for making the 500 subscriber giveaway such a success. I will be having another giveaway when I hit 750 subscribers, so we're only like 100 subscribers away from that. So if you are interested in acquiring cool Supreme items, like Big Gulp 7-Eleven got from the 500 subscriber giveaway, make sure that you're subscribed and make sure that you pay attention because 750 is coming up soon. Alright guys, let's get into it. Now first off, I want to take a look at some of the dates that Supreme has set forth for the Spring-Summer 22 season. February 7th, we're going to get our first teaser of the year. February 14th is when they're going to release the lookbook, so it's a special Valentine's Day for everybody here. February 17th is going to be week 1 releasing, and March 3rd is going to be the first collaboration.
That's a smell of desire, my lady.
So there you have it. February 17th is going to be week 1 of Supreme this year. Funny, interesting note is Cause and North Face are also doing a collaboration that is releasing on the 17th as well. So that will be a very busy day of people trying to cop all kinds of different heat, for sure.
What are you looking at, nerd? Huh?
Now, first off, for everyone who missed out on the Supreme Air Force Ones over this last season, don't worry. The white and black pair will be coming out again in the Spring-Summer 22 season. Apparently, they're going to be just a perpetual release for however long they want to do it. So look for the prices on those to keep coming down as well. And if you do have a pair, the off-season is usually the best time to sell them because you don't have a chance of grabbing them. And then we also have some interesting leak information for the Hanes colorway this season. Yes, the new Hanes colorway is going to be olive. It's an actual wearable color, so it's a colorway that people are definitely going to want to grab. It's not purple or pink, just things that are kind of out there. I do believe these will be extremely popular, just like the other colorways on everything. Initially, they should sell out, but they will restock throughout the season. Generally, the underwear go faster than anything else. Usually, you can grab socks and shirts throughout the season. I can see a lot more people being interested in wearing olive socks and olive shirts than pink ones. Generally, all of the Hanes stuff does pretty well, and if you did pick up any of the pink stuff, I think off-season is now the time to start unloading it, although pink and purple will not be released again. So if you do have some of those items from the past 2 seasons, the longer you hold on to it, the more the prices will go up on those items. Another item that was technically supposed to release in the Fall-Winter 21 season that is now slated for the Spring-Summer 22 season are these By Any Means Dunk Highs. I expect them to fly off the shelves whenever they do release. These are actually some really nice shoes. These are probably going to be the nicest shoes that they release this year unless some ridiculous Jordan 1 thing pops out of nowhere. So definitely pay attention to these. I don't expect a ton of stock in them either because they've been delayed so many times over and over again. There are also rumors out there that says Supreme is going to do another shoe with Nike, these Shock Ride 2s. We should get 3 colorways of those. They're actually not that terrible looking. The only thing is they are going to have a higher retail. The Shocks, I think, are around $200 or something like that. So it's always hard to make a ton of money off of any of the shoes that have a higher price point. But these look like actual wearable shoes. So generally wearable Supreme shoes that are one-offs do fairly well. And to be honest with you, these colorways all are pretty decent across the board. I don't think I really like one above the other ones necessarily, but I definitely don't hate one more than the other ones too. And then the big rumor, the rumor that we've been having for at least 5 seasons, maybe more now, that there is going to be a collaboration with Supreme and Bape. If a Supreme Bape collaboration does show up next season, it's going to probably be the big collaboration of the year. People have been wanting a new Bape Supreme collaboration for I don't even know how long. People have been rumoring it to happen for I don't even know how long. I would honestly rather them use some old shit and just mix it together than make some crazy new bullshit. But at the end of the day, if they do a collaboration, I have some high hopes for it. I do know if that collaboration does show up next season, the resale for it is going to go bananas. It already looks to be an exciting spring-summer 22 season, even a month before, with all these great rumors. I really hope that all of those rumors are true. None of them are a lie. Those By Any Means dunks are going to go through the roof for sure, and any kind of Bape Supreme collaboration is going to be where it's at for sure.
Don't act like you're not impressed.
So here's to Spring Summer 22 being everything that our little hearts want it to be, and for the channel hopefully on to 750 subscribers. And if you want to find out all the options that Big Gulp 7-Eleven had before he picked the Gundam, you can check out that video right here. I hope you have yourself a good day, and I will see you next video.